So turn is now for product price. So briefly I will explain as in my mind for now. There are a lot of reasons, but I will just briefly explain for now, because we have to explain all of these topics in the next lessons as well. So we check price consistency, the price is consistent, right? And we check that product price is not that much low, like it's not just $2 or $3. So if its price is $2 or $3, so low price, hey guys, then how we can make money in that? If we will be sourcing that product from China to USA or UK, and after that we earning just like how much we will earn in $3 after spending on PPC and after spending on other marketing sources. So what can be our revenue that time? So that's why we check that the price is not that much low and we should have some profit margins. And at the same time we check that the price is not that much high, because as much the price is high, it indicates that the sourcing of that product is also really costly, so we will need a high budget for that. That's why we check the price of the product, top 10 products, and for that we use the tools as same I have shown. Here is the Helium 10, and it is telling us the price, average price for this product, this listings. It is $14, so it's a good product. Like the price is really good, we can have some profits in this price.